What's up, everybody? New England Scratcher coming at you. Happy Sunday. Today we got a good one for you. We got 5 $20 tickets. Let's go. We're going to start with this 10 million Premier Cash. Let's go. Yeah, we're going to try the Red Sox bottle opener. This came from Scooter Slots and Scratches. If you haven't checked her out, go check her out. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I ask that you hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, hit the like button. Let's go. Send me some luck. I need some good luck. 11 and 29, 28. I'll take the win all right now. 33 and 13. 14, 4, 17. 18. Hope you guys have been having good luck on the lottery tickets. Because I don't think I can say that I have. Man. I got it. No. Let's go. Come on, we need double deuce. Come on, let's get the double deuce. 13, 34. Come on, double deuce. Double deuce. Nope. 13, 34, 31, 12, 15, 3, 1, and 21. 30 and 14, 32. We're keeping Robert awake here. 36 and 7, 16, 29, 19, 25, 9, 17, 26, 35, come on, 24, we need something to, 34, we have a win, finally, 27, 11, 28, and 4, Hundo, better than a Nundo, woohoo, big zero, Hundo, better than a Nundo, we will take that, wow, all right, big zero win, we got 3 tickets left, let's go. Finally, something. 15, 29, 31, 18, 30, 33, 13, and 3. 26 and 32. 9, 19 and 35. 24 and 7. 6, 1, 36. 27, 8. Let's go. Come on. 21, 12. Tomorrow I'm going to have $3 $30 tickets and a $10 ticket to make up for the hundo. Let's go. And our H. Star. No star. Diamond. No gold bar. All right. Ticket number 14 here. 10 million lucky bonus. Just give us an 8 to... Oh, look at this. 117 double deuce. Those are my numbers. 32 and 21. 15 and an 11. 11's one of my other numbers. 24 and 6. 13. 34. And 3. Come on. 28 and 9. 29, 26, 23. 25, 35, 19. 27. And in the clutch corner, it would be 5,000 for a 7. All right. TRE. And we got one more to go today. And it's a $20 cash word. E-A-U-O, no I. Just no I. All right. No I, no N. We'll start with that. N, 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 N. Is there a K? Probably no K, because we need it for pack. P-A-C. We're really keeping Robert awake. I, N. No W, huh? No R either, so it doesn't even matter. No N. No K. N. Aha. We have a word. Aha. N. K. We needed that darn K. N. K. Hey, we got a word. We got a win, guys. We have a winner. We have a profit day today. We have a profit day. No N. No I. No I. No All right. We have 2 words in the top, though. So we have a win. So we have a profit. We have a hundo better than a nundo plus whatever's on this. All right. Let's see it. Is there a G? No G. Nope, we don't have a go. N, I, N, I, N. We have use. All right, well, that's good. N, I, N, G, N, I, I. All right, let's see if we have any silver bars down the bottom. No silver bars. Come on, multiplier. 1 times. It looks like we got $20. All right, so we got 120 back today. We will take that. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Love you guys. First profit day in a long time. So we'll celebrate this one. Love ya, and I will see you tomorrow. Have an awesome Sunday, everybody. Love ya.